Hello everyone, welcome to our German learning series for beginners. The video series consists of 80 lessons and there are some more additional videos on lesson wise books that have been covered for different books and German vocabularies that you should know. In this lesson, you will learn the complete details about German numbers. Let's proceed. Alright, let's talk about how numbers work in German. If you learn these few simple rules, you will be able to form and understand any number in German language. Yes, even those long compound numbers. So let's break it down step by step. Let's talk about first about basic numbers. The first 13 numbers are unique, just like English. You will need to memorize them. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 12, which is solve. Once we have got this down, we move to the next group. The second one, the numbers from 13 to 19. Now it gets a bit more logical. Numbers from 13 to 19 are formed by combining the base number with the word sen, which means 10. So 13 is 13, 14 is 14, and 15 is 15, and so on until 19, which is 19. Easy, right? The third one is the tens from 20 till 90. For the tens, we take the base number and add sig. Sig means ZIG, kind of like adding TY in English, like 20, 40, 30, 50. So we get Swansig for 20, Dreißig for 30, Vierzig for 40, and Fünfzig for 50, and up to 90 for 90. The compound numbers from 21 to 99. Now here is where German gets fun and little different from English. In German, you say unit first and then tense with und in the middle. Und means and. Yes, it's the reverse of English. So we can say like 21, 21, 32, 32, 43, 43. So you build a number from back to front. The fifth one is hundred and thousands. Once you have mastered up to 99, the rest is even easier. Likewise, 100 like 100, 200, 200, 1000 like 1000, 2000 means 2000, and so on. To from numbers like 235, you just combine them 500, 35, 200, 5 and 30. The same logic continues for 1000 and furthermore. So say the unit before the tens. Don't forget to add und in the middle and practice by breaking big numbers into small. Let's start and learn the German numbers now. From 0 to 10, die Zahlen von 0 bis 10. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Once again, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Now, die Zahlen von 11 bis 20, the numbers from 11 to 20, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Once again, 11 means 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20 is 20. Let's move to the next page now. The numbers from 21 to 30. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30 is 30. Once again we will pronounce it. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30 is 30. Let's move to the next page. Numbers from 31 to 40. 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, and 40 is 40. Once again, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, and 40 is 40. Now 41 to 50. 41 41, 42 42, 43 43, 44 44, 45 45, 46 46, 47 47, 48 48, 49 49, and 50 is 50. So once again we will pronounce 41 is 41, 42 is 42, 43 is 43, 44 is 44, 45 is 45, 46 is 46, 47 is 47, 48 is 48, 49 is 49, and 50 is 50. Now 51 to 60. 51 is 51, 52 is 52, 53 is 53, 54 is 54, 55 is 55, 56 is 56, 57 is 57, 58 is 58, 59 is 59, 60 is 60. Let's move to the next page. 61 to 70. 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70. Now 71 to 80. 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80 is 80. Once again, 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, and 80 is 80. Now from 81 to 90. 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90 is 96. Once again, 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90 is 96. Now let's move to the next page. 91 to 100. 91, 91, 90, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, 100 oder 100. Once again, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, 100, 100 you can say, or 100. Let's move further for the rest of numbers. Mit Zahlen von 100 bis 1000, the numbers from 100 to 1000, 100, 100, for 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, for 400, 500, for 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000 for 1000. Once again, 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000 for 1000. Let's move to the next page. Here 1000, 1000, 2000, 2000, 3000, 3000, 4000, 4000, 5000, 5000, 6000, 6000, 7000, 7000, 8000, 8000, 9000, 9000, 10,000 is 10,000. Thank you guys. Let's meet in our next German learning series. See you.